India vs South Africa ODI Series 2023. Second ODI match. Date 19 December. Time 5 p.m. Venue St. George's Oval. Both team match details and playing 11. Team India playing 11. Number 1 Ruturaj Gaikwad. Number 2 Sai Sudarshan. Number 3 Shreyas Iyer. Number 4 KL Rahul. Number 5 Tilak Verma. Number 6 Sanju Samson. Number 7 Washington Sundar. Number 8 Akshar Patel. Number 9 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 10 Mukesh Kumar. Number 11 Abish Khan. Team South Africa playing 11. Number 1 Tony De Giorgi. Number 2 Raja Hendricks. Number 3 Rasibender Dusen. Number 4 Hayden Markram. Number 5 Henrik Klassen. Number 6 David Miller. Number 7 Ndile Lukayu. Number 8 Keshav Maharaj. Number 9 Lizard Williams. Number 10 Courtney Bartman. Number 11 Tabraiz Shamsi.